Hey guys. All right, so we're on to episode 10 of Being Puppycat. I thought season 1 had 12 episodes, but I guess it only has 10. So crazy. So I guess I'm on the last episode. It kind of sucks. I'm really liking the series. Now I know there's one on Netflix. But I'll see if I'll be able to get to that one eventually. Because I like to keep my Thursdays basically a series that I can just easily just plop onto YouTube with like no problem. um, so I don't think the Netflix episodes are gonna allow me to do that. So, which means I would have to add it to another day. But I'm still watching a bunch of other stuff, so we'll see. Or maybe I'll just give in and put it on this. But I don't know. We will see. But yeah, craziness. Last episode they took the wizard kid he went with B for a mission. I wonder what's going to happen there. This one's just called Donut, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It does help me out, and I do have a Patreon in the description below. $3 a month gives you about 2-week early access to my reactions. All right, let's get started. All right. Oh, all right. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Where are we?
Looks like a bowling ball with no holes? And a bakery? Wait.
Baking crystals?
Wait.
Oh, it's a
Never
cooking
mind.
thing. Which will work with what's his name, because he knows how to cook.
Hey, you're right. Kind of?
There you are. Oh man, I've been waiting so long for you guys. I gotta go real bad. I've been holding it so for a while now, okay? Months maybe. What day is it? I have to go
Oh,
now.
wow,
Maybe
months?
I have to go in 15 minutes? No, maybe 50 minutes.
So what do you need us to do?
I need you to manage my business while I'm using the bathroom. Just make sure my worker is doing his job right, please.
Oh, he looks so sad.
I don't
Or happy.
trust him to
He's
be
happy.
alone.
Okay, I thought he looked
He's
sad for a second.
little bit craziness, huh? Boy,
Yes, sir.
these two are in charge. Do everything they say. I'm going to the next planet over to use the
Oh, wow.
bathroom. Don't destroy the kitchen while I'm gone, okay?
Of course. Anything you say.
Yeah, okay, I'm sure.
He really is a nice person once you get to know him.
Whoa, what are you... Can I try?
Well, you're a bit small. But okay.
I haven't tried baking in forever. Man. Oh, man.
Wow. Deckard, you really are good at this.
Deckard, that's his name.
A perfect jam-filled donut. Thank you, Mr. Deckard. Now we take the donuts through the black hole to be delivered.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That looks so cool. Can I give it a try?
Of course. Would you like to try?
I'm no good at baking.
Well, what are you good at?
I don't know. Nothing? Eating?
Oh, eating's good. I make these for eating. I don't sleep. I spend all day making them.
Oh,
I put all
wow.
my hopes and dreams into them. And
Aw.
I wait until someone on the other side of the black wish hole wants one. And sometimes they give me a thank you gift. And
Aw.
sometimes they don't.
Huh?
Yeah, sometimes you get a tip, sometimes you don't. Aw. Oh, Dan.
okay?
Oh, my God.
Oh man,
It went through
my
him.
boss is gonna be so mad. Are you stronger than me?
Aw. Kobe.
I finished my donut. Let's send it out.
Haha, yes, sir.
Aw. She's taking it with her. What? Whoa. What's happening? They're getting yanked in? Whoa.
Well, okay. Time to go.
Whoa. Huh? Wait, what's happening? Oh, wow.
Thanks for being so nice to me. No one's ever bandaged my finger before.
Aw. Whoa. Whoa. Is he a robot? That was weird, like her arm. Oh damn. Hurt himself. Oh boy. Whoa.
Whoa.
Damn. What's happening? Oh wow. Has V been a robot this entire time? Wow.
You guys, how could you let him do this to me? Ah, ah, God.
Wow. Damn, a lot of cans. Whoa, is he back? But he's back. Huh? Energy for work.
Hey. I turned in my Cooking Prince Academy application.
Oh man, really?
Huh?
That's. Wait, are you going now?
Yeah. I figure I want to get a feel for living on my own before school starts.
Aw. He just put it on his head. Hmm.
Well, say goodbye to everyone before you leave.
Yeah.
Hey, Deckard's leaving for school!
Wow.
Stop.
Of course. That's funny. They're all sad.
Are you not depressed anymore?
He's still depressed. He's just depressed in pants. You can be depressed in pants.
Dad, let me go.
You're gonna depress your chest cavity.
Oh, nice. Aw. Well, I tried making this for you. Hold on, dang it. I tried to make this for you. If you make a wish and eat this, it will come true. B. Aw. Eat it. Eat it and wish for your mom. He snuck out. Oh. You gonna go get her? I have no idea what that was. That was like
Wait,
some kind of
what happened
device.
to your...
I don't know. Oh, I almost forgot. Will you give this to B?
Huh? Oh, wow. Yeah, for his mom. Aw. Please. No. Oh, that was sad. That was so sad. Wow, she's getting repaired by her. Wow, she is like a robot or an android.
Hello?
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, hey. Oh, yes. Guess there's a lot of stuff we don't know about each other.
Aw. Hmm.
Lavender. Wait, no. Pink. Wait. Like a light blue?
Aw.
Seals.
Whoa.
They're so chubby. They're like dog mermaids.
Oh, he's asking her questions to get to know her.
I don't know. Everything?
Mm.
Is that an answer? Everything.
Wow. Wow. Crazy. I just want to see if there's anything else.
And now a special look at Being Puppycat Lazy in Space
Okay.
coming in 2019.
There's a cool photo right here at the end. Wow. This is a crazy show. I'm so sad. A part of me wants to believe that the mom's going to wake up, though. I don't know if she will. I want to believe that she will. Actually, do we even see her in this? No, she's not even in this group photo. That sucks. That's a great show. Wow, so interesting how the way it ended too. And I wonder if because one of the things about a show like this is they don't have to like explain anything. So I definitely want to check out the Netflix one just to see if they're going to cover more because it just left with so many questions. And good on Deckard though for going to school. And interesting that they officially said that he had depression. I don't know. I don't remember if they mentioned it in a previous episode. So wow, really great series. Damn. Wow. But yeah, like I said, I will eventually check out the Netflix version, Lazy in Space. I just don't know when I'll get to it. Especially because, like I said, I like to keep my Thursdays, or at least one video a week, to be something that I can just easily plop onto YouTube. But I'll have to see what else I can do. What else, if I can't find anything. I mean, eventually, maybe all the YouTube shows are going to stop. I don't know if I'll have anything else to react to eventually. But yeah. And I guess if that happens, then I'll put something else on my Thursday slot. But yeah. Wow, so good. Oh, such a great series, man. And I love the way that it just made so many silly things. Things that you would expect them to do, they didn't do. They always took a turn. I really, really like that. Ah, great show. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.